Location, location, location. Come see this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath manufactured home on its own land and not in an HOA. This property was damaged during the storm and is in need of repair but can be lived in while repairs are done. Great price for a handyman or investor. Amazing location very close to several restaurants, tiki bars, marina, gas station, post office and just down the street from the Charlotte Sports Park and Event Center, where you can enjoy year-round activities and entertainment such as festivals and concerts. The Jobean boat ramp is just half-mile away. Tucked away in a small neighborhood of manufactured homes, this property is on a dead-end street with a nice backyard and the land across the street is currently vacant. All flooring except the bathrooms was recently replaced with attractive laminate flooring and some drywall was replaced. Inside you'll enter into a spacious living room, which leads to the back master bedroom with half bath. The kitchen has a nice open feel with a dining area and does need a stove. The main bathroom features a walk-in shower with linen shelving. The outdoor utility/storage room houses the washer and dryer. The carport was damaged and needs to be replaced along with the roof and some windows and other cosmetic items such as baseboard and some paneling/drywall.